Today I'm going to do a demonstration of an application I created called Chatterbox. The main purpose of the application is for knowledge retention using both speaking and listening to your voice. And the purpose would be for things like studying for exams or certifications. It is a command and control enabled application, so you can control it with your voice. So you can either be reading a book or reading some material and speaking commands into the computer while you're studying. So I will go ahead and add some data now. The analogy here is, I just heard something. The analogy here is a library with shelves. Within shelves you have subjects. Within subjects you would have publications. Okay, so today we're going to do some Azure training. So I will get started with that. Add shelf. Azure training demonstration. Okay. Add subject. Certifications. Okay. Add publication. Azure fundamentals. Okay. Now we're in the publication screen. Here we can add notes and exercises. Today I'm going to add an exercise. Add exercise. Fundamentals exercise. Apply. Okay, now I'm going to refer to the Azure training and just put in a few sample questions. Add question. What is cloud computing? Accept recording. Cloud computing is the delivery of computing services over the internet. Accept recording. Accept recording is something that the dictation will recognize to indicate that you've finished the dictation. I'll add another question next. Add question. What is the shared responsibility model? Accept recording. With the shared responsibility model, responsibilities get shared between the cloud provider and the consumer. Accept recording. As you can see, sometimes the text recognition is not flawless, but we're mostly interested in the audio here rather than the text. Close. Now I can run this exercise just to test how well I've understood the material. And the idea is you continue to run it until you start getting some good results. Play question. What is cloud computing? Record answer. Cloud computing is computing services that run over the internet. Accept recording. Play correct answer. Cloud computing is the delivery of computing services over the internet. Now I can evaluate my answer as wrong or right, excuse me, by saying incorrect or correct. Incorrect. Correct. Next. Play question.
What is the shared responsibility model?
Record answer. With the shared responsibility model, responsibilities get shared between the cloud provider and consumer. Accept recording. Play correct answer.
With the shared responsibility model, responsibilities get shared between the cloud provider and the consumer.
Next. Okay, that's the end of the quiz. There are only 2 questions. And I got 2 out of 2. Close. You can also record notes as well. Add topic. Azure fundamentals. Okay. Add note. This is the note header. Accept recording. And this is my note detail, into which I can go into much more detail about the subject matter that I'm recording. And I'll be able to listen to all my notes later on, or copy them to a mobile device so I can listen to them on the go. Accept recording. Apply. Close. I mentioned that you can play your recordings back later, and they are saved locally. In my case, the data is here. I can go into that folder and I have a SQLite database with all the data, and the audio files are recorded separately under subfolders here. This will be the information we just recorded, and I can play that file back.
What is cloud computing?
Thanks for listening.